y'all, Logan here. I wanted to make a video of kind of an update. Now, 5 years ago I made a video of how to bring life back to sun-bleached antlers. We found a dead head on the farm and it was so unique that I just didn't want it to be just a sun-bleached piece of, remembrance, I guess. We don't know how that buck died. We assumed it was shot, ran onto our property, but either way, made a video of how I used wood stain to bring life back to those antlers. So I want to do, there's the buck right there. Alright, you can see it's got a lot of character, kind of palmated on this side. It had a drop tine, but it's broke off. And then it's got some character on this side. It's just a cool looking buck. So, like I said, wanted to do a 5 year later on those sun-bleached antlers. Right here is a shed that I found during the summer last year. So you can tell it's kind of sun-bleached compared to that buck right there that I added the wood stain to. Now here's a buck that I harvested 2 years ago. Alright, it was a very dark colored rack, but as you can see, let me get it, right there. Alright, that color is about spot on. Alright, so if you want to bring life to those back to sun-bleached antlers, I recommend you go and watch that video. I'll put a link into the description right here. There you have it. 5 years later, nothing has changed. And so if that's something that interests you, go and check that video out. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you again next time.